Hello and welcome. This is Tim from Abco. And the purpose of today is to run you through the Truvox Hydromist Lite, how to assemble the machine and to use it. So with your machine comes, you've obviously got your main unit, you've got your hose, you've got your two-piece wand, upholstery tool and then a floor tool. So starting off, if you're going to use the floor tool, pick up your two pieces of wand. One end is flanged out a bit and you'll work that out. Just slide that in. As you can see here, you've got a little groove to notch them two together. Do that again just so you can see that. That locks that into place. Then you've got these clips for the hose. So you've got the floor tool here. Just slide that in over the top. Once again, it's got a little groove to line it up. Slide that in, then rotate it over, and then just clip the solution hose into these little clips. It stops the hose from getting in the way. Then we've got the main hose. Slide that in, rotate the machine over. You've got this little coupling that just slides in and rotate it sideways. Locks it into position. So now our wand and hose is ready to go. We just need to light up the machine. So your solution's under this hood here. So you open these clips on either side. Take that off. What you've got here is a clean water tank, and then this is your dirty water tank. I'd suggest you just running this tank with water, no chemical, and just use a carpet spotter and spray the stain first, and then just using this machine to rinse and extract the stain out of the carpet. However, you can use chemical in this machine if you choose, if you want to use like a pre-spray with the machine, and you just need to be watchful of foaming. Otherwise, if this dirty water tank foams too much, it can overflow and go down underneath you into your back motor. So just be wary of that. And to eliminate that foam though, you do have this defoamer, so you can put some defoam chemical in there. But as I said, just to repeat it again, if you are only spotting, I would suggest just spraying your surface, spraying the stain, let it dwell for a little bit, and then use this machine to rinse and extract the stain with just clean water. So now that's all set to go, we'll sit our lid back on top. It sits level. Just clip it on either side. Then connect your solution hose first. The bottom just pushes in. Got your back hose in there now. And then on the back of the machine here, you've got two switches. You've got the back motor and then also the pump for the spraying. So we start by turning the back motor on. Then we've got the trigger underneath here. This releases the spray. You can spray your surface, then come back, let go of the rinse and extract. One point to note is when using the wand, to get the best rinse as possible, keep the floor tool on the ground at all times. So when you're spraying the surface, keep it on the ground and push it away from you. Hold the trigger on, push it away. That way you're not extracting the water straight away, giving that a little bit of dwell time to get down into the carpet. The second reason to leave it sitting on the carpet is so you get the most penetration into the fibres. Rather than lifting it up and spraying it and extracting. So sit it down, hold the spray trigger on, push it away from you, then let the spray trigger go and then pull it back and rinse the rest of extract the rest of the water out of the carpet. Then you've obviously got here, you've got the upholstery tool. A lot of people choose just to leave this on the whole time because they're generally only using this for spotting stains. So if that's the case, you just turn that over, rotate that coupling, take that out. Slide that on and just lock the coupling into position. There we go, all set to go now. So once you finish, remove the lid. Your dirty water will be collected up in this dirty water tank here. Bring that handle up, just pull that out. You can go and empty that out and rinse it. If you've still got fresh water in this tank, you can remove this tank as well and go and tip that water out. Put your hand on either side and just pull it up. It's got some little rubber seals on the bottom there which grips it into place, and you can go and tip that water out. If you have put a pre-spray in this tank, so any sort of chemical, I'd strongly recommend you go and empty that out. But if it's just water and you're happy to leave fresh water in here, that's fine, you can leave it in there. It's just that leaving any chemical in there, if it does sit in there for a while, it can block up the jets through the machine. Well, thank you for your time. That's the end of our training video. If you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at ABCO. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.